Where's the CVV CVC on a debit card located?
Hello viewers! Today we are going to decipher a little mystery that often puzzles many cardholders: where to find the CVV or CVC number on a debit card. This tiny 3-digit number plays a crucial role in online transactions, adding an extra layer of security to your digital payments.
What is a CVV CVC number?
The Card Verification Value, CVV, or Card Verification Code, CVC, is a 3-digit number found on your debit or credit card. It serves as an additional security measure when making online or phone transactions, verifying that the card is physically in the possession of the person making the purchase. It's also worth noting that these codes are not stored or recorded in any transaction, making it much harder for anyone to fraudulently use your card information.
Where is the CVV CVC number on my debit card?
For most debit cards, the CVV CVC number is located on the back side of the card. You'll usually find it to the right side of the signature strip. It's separated from the card number and typically appears after a space or on a separate line. It's always a 3-digit number. Some cards, especially those from American Express, place the CVV on the front, but this is less common.
How to use the CVV CVC number?
When making an online purchase or a transaction over the phone, you might be asked to provide the CVV CVC number. This is to verify that you are in physical possession of the card, as this number is not typically stored by merchants. So, when you're asked for it, simply enter the 3-digit number found in the location we discussed earlier. Knowing your debit card's CVV CVC number can make your online transactions smoother and more secure. We hope this video has made finding this number easier and clarified its purpose. Remember, never share your CVV CVC with anyone, as it's an essential key to your account's security. Stay safe and happy shopping!